Welcome to the Virtual Home Simulation, or VHS. When you first launch the software, you will be prompted to log in or sign up. VHS uses authenticated user accounts to determine what features of the software are available. For now, we'll start as a user. This is the main menu. Here, you may start a new session or resume a session you had previously paused. To start a new session, click New Session and choose a scenario. For this demonstration, we'll investigate the Ramirez household. When the scenario begins, you will start outside the home. Before entering the home, we should look at the case files. To do so, open your notebook by holding the left mouse button, or the center button of the Oculus remote. This is your virtual notebook. Here, you can view the case files for the scenario, view areas of interest, and take notes of the overall condition of the environment. Once you're satisfied, head inside the home by clicking on the front door. Once you're inside, you can look around the environment using the mouse or by turning your head in VR. To move between rooms, click Doorways with the door icon. If a room is large enough, you may inspect it from multiple perspectives by clicking on the foot circles. As you look around, some areas will have an eye icon. You can click on these areas to take a closer look. If something catches your attention, you can click on it to place a tag. Tags are how you can identify if an object is an indicator of a potential risk or protective factor in the household. To enter your rationale, choose whether or not you believe the item is a protective or risk indicator, and click in the text field to enter notes. Or on VR, click the microphone to use speech to text. Should you need to pause your session and finish it at a later time, open your notebook and press Pause Session. When you return, complete your session by pressing Resume Session on the main menu. Resume Session will return you to your last location in the home with all of your notes. Here in the Observations panel, we can view previous observations in the home. As you investigate more areas, more images will be collected here. Once you have identified all areas of interest in a home, you may finish the session and receive feedback by exiting through the front door, or by opening your notebook with the left mouse button and pressing End Session. This will bring you to the summary score screen. Here, you can review your choices and make any last changes to your assessment. Once you submit your assessment, you will be taken to the score screen where you receive a grade and can view expert feedback for your choices in the detailed summary report. VHS is a collaboration with social work researchers and employees, some of whom are designated as experts within VHS. If you have been authenticated as an expert, you will have access to Expert Mode. To enable Expert Mode, click on the Options button in the main menu and click Enable Expert Mode. Expert Mode functions the same as User Mode with the addition of an Importance slider in the assessment marker. This slider allows experts to denote how important an indicator of risk or protection is to their assessment. This expert feedback is then used to inform the grading algorithm of VHS. Thank you for using the Virtual Home Simulation. If you have any further questions, please refer to the frequently asked questions in the notebook or contact a VHS admin.